Very good morning, 10th students. Our running topic is statistics. So today I am going to explain 4.3 exercise problems. Listen well. In life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages 100 policy holders. For example, here age in years 20 years, below 20 years, below 25 years, below 30 years, below 35 years, below 40 years, below 45 years, below 50 years, below 55 and also below 60 years. So there is no class intervals. To find the median, first I need class intervals. Given distribution being less than 10, why? Because ages are below. Given below 20, below 25 means between 20 and 25. 25 is the upper limit of the class. So given upper limits of the class intervals. So maybe classes are 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Why? Because see here 25, 30, 35. 5 units gap. 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Then 2 persons are there. So 2 persons are there below 20 years age. Then after I need number of persons between 20 and 25 years. See, number of persons between age interval 20 and 25. 6 minus 2 is equal 4 persons. Then number of persons between age interval 25 to 30. 25 to 30. 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Number of persons, the age limit between 30 to 35 is nothing but 45 minus 24. So on, we can calculate the frequency. To find the mean, I need to find the median, I need class intervals and also frequency. Here the class intervals below 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50 and 50 to 55 and 50 to 55 to 60. And given cumulative frequencies less than cumulative frequencies 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. I need frequency. So below 20, 2 persons. Between 20 and 25, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So between 25 to 30, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Between 30 to 35, 45 minus 24 is equal to 21. So between 35 to 40, 78 minus 45 is equal to 33. Between 40 to 45, 89 minus 78 is equal to 11. Between 45 to 50 is equal to 92 minus 89 is equal to 3. Between 50 to 55, 98 minus 92 is equal to 6. Between 55 to 60, 100 minus 98 is equal to 2. So this is the frequency of the distribution. Here n is equal to number of observations, that is nothing but 100. N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50. N by 2 value you are checking cumulative frequency. So what is the frequency? Median class here 35 to 40 is a median class. Median class is equal to 35 to 40. Then this is called L is nothing but lower boundary of the median class, and this is nothing but frequency of the median class. Cumulative frequency of a class preceding the median class. Then here L is equal lower limit or lower boundary of median class. How much that is? 35. Then F is equal to frequency of median class. How much? 33. Then H is equal to size of the class 5. Then CF is equal to frequency of the cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding to median class. So that is nothing but 45. Now what is the formula to find median? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L means 35 plus N by 2 is nothing but 50 minus 45 by 33 into 5 is equal to 35. 50 minus 45, 5. 5 5 is 25. So it is 25 by 33. So you have to divide 33. You have to divide 25 with 33. We will get the answer 35 plus 0.75. So it is nothing but 35.75. What is the median of the given table? 35.75. See, if the median of 60 observations, so here 60 observations are there. So median of the 60 observations is 28.5. You have to find the missing values. That is nothing but x and y values you have to find. So these are the class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Whatever frequency 5, x, 20, 15, y and 5. You have to find the x value and also y value. So number of observations n is equal to 60. There are 60 observations and also median of this data is equal to median is equal to 28.5. So median of this data is equal to 28.5. Now I need cumulative frequency. 5 next 5 plus x 20 plus 5 25 plus x. Next 25 plus 15 40 plus x. Next 40 plus x plus 5. Next 45 plus x plus y. N is equal to 45 plus x plus y. But I know the value of n. What is that? 60. But n is equal to 60. Means 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Then x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. Let this equation 1. Next. Here, what is the median? 28.5. So, median value lies in 20 and 30 class. So, median value lies between 20 and 30. So, this is called a median class. Median class is equal to 20 to 30. Why? Because okay, what is the median? 28.5. The median value of median lies between 20 and 30. So this is called a median class, and this is called F means frequency of the median class. F is equal to 20, frequency of the median class. Then L is equal to lower boundary of the median class. L is equal to 20. Next, cumulative frequency, preceding cumulative frequency of the median class. This is nothing but CF. CF is equal to 5 plus x and H is equal to size of the class. How much? 10. Now what is the formula to find median? Median is equal L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Median is equal L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. What about the L value here? L value is so. Median is equal to 28.5 is equal to L means lower boundary 20 plus N by 2 is nothing but 60 by 2 minus CF 5 plus x by 20 into class size 10 plus 20 I am transporting to left side. Minus 20 is equal to 30 minus 5 minus x by 20 into 10. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 28.5 minus 20, 8.5. So 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. I am doing cross multiplication. 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. How much it is? 17. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Then x is equal to 25 minus 17. X is equal to 25 minus 17. So what is the value of the x here? X is equal to 8 is the value. X is equal to 8. Now I know the value of x, but I need the value of y. See here, from first equation, from equation 1, what we can write? 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Then x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. What about x value? 8 plus y is equal to 15. Then y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So required values, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. So here is the today's homework. If the median of 100 observations of following data is 525, then you have to find the value of x and y.